Well, Vapi in Gujarat is known as the largest industrial belt in India, but around the world it's now seen as one of the top 10 most polluted places, having been on the Blacksmith Institute's pollution list for 2 years in a row. Our correspondent Joy Dipre visited Vapi to uncover the dirt.
Asia's chemical hub, Vapi in Gujarat is a big foreign exchange earner for India. It has another distinction. It's been listed one of the 10 most polluted places in the world by the Blacksmith Institute of Pollution for the second year in a row. The government and State Pollution Control Board say the institute's being unfair, but NDTV found that Vapi is as polluted as ever, even though the Central Pollution Board listed it as critically polluted in 1990. At that time, Vapi had 4,000 industrial units. Today, it has almost 10,000.
गांधीनगर तक ये बात जाके अटक जाती है, पता नहीं चल रहा है, क्योंकि जीपीसीबी के जो भी ऑफिसर आते हैं वो यहाँ तो वीआईए के मेहमान बन के रह जाते हैं या इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के गेस्ट बन के रह जाते हैं और रह के 5 स्टार होटल में खाना खा के वापस अपनी फाइल अच्छा लिखन करके निकल जाते हैं.
The Gujarat Pollution Control Board, however, says it did take action on the Central Pollution Board's warning in 1990.
Actually, we have already represented to Central Pollution Control Board to delete it from the list of critically polluted areas, because when this was identified as one of the critically polluted areas, that time the CPCB had also asked us to prepare an action plan, and based on that action plan we have done a lot of work, and most of the points, almost all the points of that action plan have been complied with now.
Experts and doctors agree that there has been some improvement since a few effluent treatment plants were put in recently. But these, they say, aren't enough to deal with Vapi's growing industries.
इतना वापी जीआईडीसी स्टेट बड़ा है, जीपीसीबी 2 जगह पे मॉनिटरिंग करती है, सिर्फ 2 जगह पे.
It was only a year ago that industries here began showing some concern. They formed the Vapi Industries Association and are now financing pollution control measures in partnership with the State Pollution Board.
We do know that a lot more work is required. It's an ongoing process. Nobody can become overnight 100% white, but we are certainly not what is being given this kind of report. I don't know why international agencies are only targeting 1 or 2 places. They must have their own agenda.
Whatever is the defense of Vapi might be, the truth of the matter is that such a huge chemical industrial belt requires stringent and constant monitoring. Reports like the Blacksmith Institute list will keep the pressure on the government to clean up. With cameraman Pranab Joshi in Vapi, Joy Dipre for NDTV.